Hello, my name is Mike Cosgrove, and my project revolves around building confidence in teachers through the use of the OTES, the Ohio Teacher Evaluation System. I had two goals. I'm going to read these so they're actually quoted. The first one is the target goal, that teachers will grow more confident in their professionalism through the development and implementation of the OTES, and also that I will be able to lead teachers through the development and implementation of grade band teams designed to facilitate collaborative reflection and dialogue around the 7 teaching standards. This was primarily done through small professional development type settings, seminars, conferences, whatever word you want to use, normally in small groups of generally 3 to 6. All the research pointed that the smaller the group, the better the dialogue, the more apt people are to actually be able to participate and be able to learn a little bit more. I started off with the data at the beginning of the school year before anything really kicked off, and I used surveys. What I used for the beginning and the end is actually identical. So I have these kind of things. They're just a simple survey, and it's a rating system where 1 is I strongly disagree, 5 is I strongly agree. In the middle is somewhat agree, somewhat disagree, and it all revolved around how they actually perceive themselves. So some questions. These are they're just statements, and the teachers are asked to just respond. The first one: I reflect regularly on the effectiveness of my teaching, and then they would then rate that. Some are a little more cut and dry. For instance, I have read the Ohio ethics law as it relates to educators, which there's a little pamphlet our school gives out, which kind of summarizes the points that actually relate to them. And obviously that's like more of a yes or no question. But there were 8 questions. They were asked at the very beginning of the school year, literally right as we started staff orientation, and then right before Christmas break, once we had finished it. The entire staff was surveyed, but the only group that I actually worked with is the resident educators. I'm one of the resident educator mentors in my building. I worked alongside the coordinator and then also the administrators, and then just talking with the teachers. What do they really need? Which is really what the resident educator program is all about. And so we kind of developed it from there. And the data pretty much shows that it was a benefit, definitely, to the staff, at least in building somewhat confident. It was able to take a large percentage of teachers that were in the I disagree, I really am not confident in talking with parents, or being able to explain the 7 standards, and moving them into the I can somewhat explain it, I am somewhat confident category. So it was able to take a newer teacher. We had 21 in all that are in the first 3 years of their teaching career, and kind of moving them up. So that was seen as a success. And hopefully you guys are able to read the final project as I delve a little bit deeper into the data and see specifically what was done and how that aligns. So have a great day and good luck on your projects.